Now, of course, we can't have a piece here that we're not able to hang, so we're going to add a sawtooth hanger to the back of the piece. I'm taking a ruler and I'm just marking the halfway point so that I have it exactly there. And I'm going to use these sawtooth hangers that have very, very tiny nails with them. So I'm going to take the piece out as well as 2 nails, and you'll see I have some needle nose pliers on the side there. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers to hold the nails in place while I'm hammering it. There's no possible way to hold them with your fingers and keep them in the right spot, as well as be able to hammer and actually hit the nail instead of your fingers. So I found the best way to do that is using needle nose pliers. You can even use tweezers, something that just gives you a really good grip on the nail, and then I'm going to hammer it in place. The first one I only hammer about halfway in, just so there's a little bit of movement that I can put the hanger exactly where I'm wanting it to be before holding the second nail in place. And then I will hammer that one in, and then take away the pliers, and then hammer the nails in. And there you are, ready to hang your piece.